Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. The other phone is signed into the correct account and has location turned on. Once done, open your Find My device or Find My app on your phone and sign in with the same account or the account allowed to locate the device. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active on both ends so the device can report its position. Now tap the device name in the list to request a fresh location and prepare to view the map. Once the map shows the device, use the app tools to narrow down position. Request a location refresh, switch to satellite or street view for context, and note the last seen time to assess recency. If nearby, tap play sound to ring the phone even if on silent. This helps when it's hidden in a couch or car. If you need to retrieve it remotely, select directions to open navigation or choose lock/mark as lost to protect data while you go get it. To finish, follow navigation to the pin spot and use play sound when you're close. Make sure to approach safely. If the device is offline, enable notify when found so you get an alert when it reconnects, and review the last known coordinates to guide your search. If things go wrong, confirm the other phone's account and location settings, ensure it has network access, and retry. If still unresolved, try logging into the account from a browser to access extra controls and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.